Here we go, we have a question, partition labels. You are given a string S. We want to partition this string into as many parts as possible so that each letter appears in at most one part. For example, if we have given string like this, so we will partition it in ABAB, then CC. But we cannot partition in ABA and BCC because B is there in both of the parts. Same for this, we cannot partition it like this. Note that partition is done so that after concatenating all the parts in order, the resultant string should be S. Return a list of integers representing all these parts length. So we have given this string and we will partition it based on these many lengths. First length is this, second length is this only, which is 7. Second length is here, then third length is here, and in this string we cannot partition, so this is the total length, and that's all. So let me first take the example number 1 and build the approach. So I have taken the first example and we need to partition it. But before partition it, how can we so first question is how can we partition? The first criteria is if a given character is there, then the first occurrence and the last occurrence should be there in only one part, right? So we need to find suppose I am at this, then we need to figure out what is its last index. So I need to figure out the last index of every character. So let me first figure out the last character of every index in the first iteration. The A last index is 8. Then B last index is 5, and let me calculate it. So I have written down the last index of every character, and then in the next iteration I will start do the work. I am at this index. What is the last index of this character? The last index of this character is 8. So the partition is till 8, till index 8. So I will iterate it. What is the now this character is there, so I will figure out the last character, the last index of this character. The last index of this character is 5. So the limit is till 8 or till 5. The limit is till 8 only. So I will continue. What is the last character of A? 8 only. So the limit is extended till 8 only. Then it is B. Last character of B, last index of B is 5. So it is extended till 8 only. Last character, so the character is C. The last index of C is 7. So my limit is till 8, which is the current index is under that. Then we have B. The last index is 5, but my limit is 8 only. Let's continue. A limit is 8 only. C, the limit is 7, but my limit is greater, so it is 8 only. Then we are at 8, and this is the limit. I can go till here only, right? Yes, I can go till here. If I have reached this index, what will I do? I will just add this. Yes, then I will next iterate it. Next index is this. What is the last index of D? The last index of D is 14. So it is there till 14. The limit is till 14. And we will extend it. E. What is the last index of E? Which is 15, which is greater. So it is extended till 15. What is the last index of F? 11, but my limit is 15, which is under it. E limit is 15, so till 15. Next character is G. Limit is 13, but I am there till 15. D is 14, limit is 15 till. Then we have got 15, so I will just add 15. Then I will partition into the third H. What is the last character of H? 19. We have bound till 19. We are bound till 19. I. Last index of I is 22. Okay, let's bound it till 22. Then we go to J. The last character of J is 23. So bound till 23. Then we got H is 19 valid. K last is 20 valid. L last is 21 valid. I last 22. J last 23 valid. So I am here in 23. That's all. This is the 3 partitions. So that's how this approach will work. So let's figure out. We have given the lowercase characters. So let me build the last character array of length 26, and we have given character s dot 2 char array. Last character c minus a is added. Okay, we need index also. So anyways, I have to iterate till index. And it is there till I. Yes. Then we need an iteration, simple iteration. We need a simple iteration. Okay, I less than n. Then we will find the limit of this current ith character s dot char at I. This is the ith character, and I need to figure out the last index. The last index. This is not last character. This is index. I will change the name here. Then this is my limit while my I is less than or equal to limit. So it is there till the limit, and we also need to return list. This is the answer list. And what we need? We need starting point. We need to return the length at this point, and we will handle it. So limit is extended till s dot char at I. It's last index, and I will increment. That's all. I will just add the length, the current length, but we don't have current length, so I will calculate the current length. Just return the answer. Let's run this, and I hope I did not make any error. Value 97. Okay, minus 1 lowercase a. And let's discuss about the time and space complexity, but it is not as expected. So what is the mistake? Let me figure out. So I figure out the mistake. It is the maximum length till limit or this, and I hope now it will work. Yes, working fine. Let's submit it, and let's discuss about the time and space complexity. We have given this. The time complexity of this is order of n. This is order of n only. We are on any given, we are traversing any point only once, so it is order of n. What about space complexity? So we have given this is constant, we can say, and we have also given the answer In the worst case, it will be order of n if every character is different. If every character is different, yes, and but still it will be order of 26 also. And that's all. And if you guys have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you all for watching this video.